Hi! In front of me is POCO C40 and today I would like to show you how you can find all text correction settings on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down and click on Additional Settings. Then select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. After that, you need to click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!